to learn about normal distribution. Normal distribution is denoted as normal nu, that means this is a mean, and sigma square, this is the variance. Okay, the graph of the normal distribution is bell shape here. Okay, this is the nu is the mean, is equal to median, equal to the mode. Okay, that is the symmetrical graph about S is equal nu. The equations of normal distribution is quite difficult to work with, so standard normal distribution is used. We can write the standard normal distribution as Z, where 0 is the value of nu or mean, this is the value of sigma square or variance. How to change a normal distribution to the standard normal distribution? We use the formula Z is equal x minus nu over sigma. Okay, this is the formula how to change x to Z. That means from the normal distribution to the standard normal distribution. Okay, for the example, the weight in kgx, this is the normal distribution variable x for all students in KMJ was found to follow a normal distribution where the mean weight of the student is 60 kg and the standard deviation is 5 kg. But here, find out the informations given. Okay, firstly, define of the x. What is x? X is weight of student. And then it's given the mean weight. Mean weight here is the value of nu is 60. And then the standard deviation, that's mean the value of sigma is equal 5. So question A, you want to determine the Z value of two students with the weight of 50 kg and 70 kg. There are two students with the weight of 50 kg. This is the weight of the first student, that means the value of x, and the second student, the weight is 70. Okay, but you want to change from x to z. How to change from x to z? We can use the formula z is equal x minus nu over sigma. For the student number 1, the value of z is 50 minus nu. Nu is 60 over 5. So you can find the value is negative 2. Okay. For the second student, the value of z is equal 70 minus 60 over 5. You can find the value of z is 2. That means for x x is equal 50, you can change to the z value here. You find the z is equal -2. For x is equal 70, you can find the value of z here is equal to 2. Okay, use this formula to change from the x values to the z values. Okay, and then going to question B, to determine the weight of two students with the z values of -2 and 2 respectively. Here you want to find the value of x. The value of x here, where the value of z are given. This is the value of z for student number 1. This is the value of z for student number 2. Okay, you want to find the value of z for student number 1 and number 2 just using this formula. Z is equal x minus nu over sigma. Okay, you know that's the nu is equal to 60 and sigma is equal to 5. So just substitute z as -2 for the student number 1. X minus 60 over sigma is 5. And then cross multiply. You will get the value of x is equal 50. Okay, the units is the kg. For the student number 2, the value of z is 2. You do not x minus 60 over sigma. Sigma is 5. Okay, cross multiply. You will get the value of x is equal 70 kg. Okay. Question C. What is the probability that the student weight between 50 kg and 70 kg? That means you want to find the probability when x between 50 and 70. Firstly, you must change to the z. 50 minus 60 over 5 less than z less than 70 minus 60 over 5. Okay, after you calculate, you will get the z between -2 and 2. Okay, to get the area, okay, this is the curve, this is the -2, this is the 2, this is the area. Okay, you want to find the probability of this area. Okay, you will get the area greater than -2 minus area greater than 2. Okay, so you can find this area. So that means that you can separate to part pz greater than -2 following this area minus pz greater than 2. Okay, greater than -2 here, that means 1 minus pz greater than. If the random variable x has a binomial distribution which parameter n and p, this is a binomial distribution. Okay, and then we find that np is greater and equal 5 and the value of p from 0.1 to 0.9. So x can be approximated by a normal distribution, where the normal distribution, okay, this is NP and NPQ. Okay, that's mean you change from the binomial distribution to the normal distribution. But in this case, we need continuity correction. So what is the continuity correction? Okay, so let's say the example is this is the binomial distribution where n is 200 and the p is 0.3. Okay, when you calculate the NP, you can find that the value is 60. That means the value is greater than 5. Okay, and sigma square or NPQ is equal 200 0.3 multiply 0.7, the value is 42. Here we need to change to the normal distribution for this case. Okay, change to the normal distribution. What is the normal distribution? Okay, the value of NP is 60 and NPQ is 42. Okay, and then we need the continuity corrections to find the value of probability when x is less and equal 50. So do the continuity corrections. Okay, that means 50 plus 0.5. Okay, this is the continuity correction process. And then change to the standard normal distribution. Okay, z less than 50.5 minus 60 over sed 42. So you will get z less than negative 1.47. Okay, this is equal to z greater than 1.47. So refer to the table, you can find the value is 0.0208. That's the answer. Okay, and then B. Okay, you want to find the probability when x is greater and equal 36 and less and equal 54. So do the continuity corrections. Okay, just plus and minus 0.5 here. Okay, so change to the standard normal distribution. Okay, minus 60 over sed 42 less than z and less than 54.5 minus 60 over sed 42. Okay, and then you can find z greater than negative 3.78. Okay, less than negative 0.85. So this is, you can separate of this as p z greater than 0.85 minus p z greater than 3.68. Okay, and then refer the table. You can find the value of this is 0.1977 minus 0.00008. Okay, so the answer is 0.1976. Okay, bye.